And this is the thing, it's about really understanding the drivers of these markets and understanding the ongoing supply, potential for ongoing supply, and thinking about your future buyer. And that's really at the core of the stepping stone strategy, is understanding what type of person you are, and so then choosing the appropriate strategy for you. And then B, always having that future buyer in mind, because that's the person who's going to pay you more money for your home, which is going to actually enable you to leverage up to make your next upgrade purchase within your next sort of 3 to 5 to 7 years.
Yeah,
that's basically the goal.
Stepping Stone strategy is it is aimed at being a shorter term strategy than the long term investment strategies that we talk about for people who are building a portfolio. Stepping Stone is about really accelerating the growth in a shorter period of time. And you need that growth to outstrip the costs of getting into the property and the costs of getting out of the property. So your entry costs and your exit costs, you still want to have a good pool of money left over, because the growth has exceeded the average in the area and given you the ability to then use that equity to either sell that property, move to the next one, or use the equity out of the property, the first property, and leverage yourself into the next property.